Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about a company called DCM Sriram Limited. So this DCM Sriram Limited company is engaged in the business of manufacturing facilities of fertilizer, chlorovinyl cement in Kota and chloroalkali in Gujarat. And this particular company is having a market capitalization of around 7,116 crore. Currently trading at the price of around 456 and yearly high is 516 and yearly low is 173. And this ROCE value of this particular company is very good, that is 18.7 percentage. ROE value is also looking good, that is 19 percentage. And return over the last 1 year you can see 25.9 percentage. Last 3 years little negative, that is minus 5.65. But if you look at the last 5 years return, that is very good, that is 33 percentage. And this company is having very low debt to equity ratio. Also the promoter is having a 67.4 percentage holding. So now, if you look at the chart for the last 1 year, you can see during the pandemic, the price of the stock came to a low of around 193. But from there, you can see there is the price of the stock is keep on increasing, and it is around 460 level, and it is above its 50-day as well as 200-day moving average. And one of the advantages of this particular company is that it has reduced debt, and companies also they are maintaining a very good healthy dividend ratio, that is 18.3 percentage. And book value is also of this particular company is good, that is 1.68. So now if you look at the consolidated profit and loss statement of this particular company, so you can see from 2012 onwards, that is the net profit of this companies keep on increasing every year. And also you can see the EPS ratio, that is also keep on increasing every year. So that is also a very good sign of this growth of this particular company. And every year you can see they are giving a dividend payout, so that is also looking company is very good. And the compounded sales growth is good, that is 4 percentage. Compounded profit growth is little negative, that is minus 21 percentage. I think the coming months or years, coming years, this will improve, this value will improve. And when you look at the stock price CAGR, that is also very good, that is 26 percentage. Return on equity is also good, that is 19 percentage. So now we will look into its technical chart. So when you look at its technical chart, you can see from March the price of the stock is keep on increasing, making higher highs and higher very higher lows. And also it is keep on the price of the stock is keep on increasing, and currently it is around 460 level. So once it crosses this 472 or 473 level, then you can see you can make a first target around 570. And once it crosses this target one, it can also go to a target of around 630 or 635 range. So there is a 40% return you can see in this particular company if you are waiting for some few months. Those who are interested, please you can try to buy this particular company. And if you have patience, definitely you will get a very good return from this particular company. And also those who are please share this information as much as possible to your friends and relatives. Thank you.